everyone, today I will be talking about how you can revive or repair your damaged skin caused by bleaching as a dark skin person. So the question is, how do you repair your skin that has been damaged by skin bleaching as a dark skin person? One thing I want you to know is that if you want to go through this process, you need to be very patient. It's going to take a while. It's not going to work very fast like that because you've damaged some of your skin tissue and it has to take a while for it to regenerate back. Even if you used the bleaching cream for like 2 weeks and then you want to repair back your damaged skin, it's going to take a longer time. It's going to take a longer time to repair your damaged skin. And then firstly, I want you to avoid all these cream that says 7 days action, is 7 days I don't know, like I don't get. How would you want to use something and then in 7 days you want it to start working? Even me, if I start to use a new product, it takes me a while for me to see the work of that product. It takes me like 2 or 3 weeks. So even if I want to review a product, I have to stay for like 2 or 3 weeks. Instead of bleaching your skin, you can brighten up your skin as a dark skin person. We have products that you can use to brighten your skin, and then mostly people don't know the difference between brightening, between toning, between lightening and bleaching. You understand? You need to know the difference between all this so that you won't go and use a product that will damage your skin and then you start running up and down on how to repair your skin and then you even start spending more. You can brighten up your skin as a dark skin person. You don't need to bleach. You don't need to bleach to look beautiful. No, you don't need to bleach to look beautiful. Just find the right product for your particular skin color and then you will love your skin. You even want to, you will love your skin. Okay, like I said, avoid all this cream that says in 7 days fast action, in 7 days. Even you should know. How can you use a product and then in the next 7 days you should know that it's speeding up something, and then the more you're using it is damaging your skin tissue, and then later you start having knuckles, start having you start having different shade of colors, and then you'll be running elter skelter to look for how you want to blend them together. Stick to your skin. Just look for products that suit. So, number one, first step to repair your damaged skin. You see all those products that damage your skin, throw it away. Pata pata pata, big hole, throw it away. Enjoy, so no, go and throw it away first. Throw it. Give your skin time to heal. Yes, it's a process. Give it time to heal, and then you go for mild products. Okay, you can go for shea butter. You know shea butter is a good moisturizer. You can go for Vaselines. You can go for baby oils. You can also use Neutrogena, or just go for things that are very, very mild on your skin right now. You don't need something too harsh on your skin because you want to repair your damaged skin as a dark skin person. Vaseline too is aloe vera. Yes, aloe vera is very good also. Cocoa butter good also, and then castor oil is good also. And then number 3, avoid exfoliation. I know exfoliation is good, but now that you want to repair your damaged skin, do not exfoliate for now. Avoid anything that has chrome, okay, because you don't want something that will be too harsh on your skin. And then also drink enough water to stay hydrated. Drink enough water to stay hydrated, sorry. And then also incorporate sunscreen. Yes, for your face cream. We have some products, some face cream product that has sunscreen in it, and even some body lotion or body cream, they have sunscreen in it. So incorporate sunscreen in your product, and then aloe vera. Okay, and then the last thing is you need to wait. You need to be patient because it's not going to happen overnight. Yes, it won't happen overnight. You have to just be patient so that you can get your skin back. Okay, see you guys.